My camera dying. So it's going to be all about this hair today. So I got this hair from Dyhair777 hair. Wait, Dyhair777 hair or something like that. It's either 777 or 77 hair, one of them. It is 4 bundles. 4 bundles. Okay, I don't need to do that. It is 4 bundles of 24 inches and I believe the closure is 20 inches. So this isn't a regular closure, your typical closure. It is a 2x6, meaning that it's 2. What is like 2 and what is it? Feet or centimeters? It's 2 going across and 6 going in the back. I got 4 bundles of 24 and a 20-inch closure, and the part goes all the way back here. If it was a regular closure, it would have stopped probably like right here. And I didn't want a frontal. Frontals are just, don't get me wrong, I like them, but for somebody like me, I really like closures better because I just like to swoop my regular edges and put on the wig and call it a day like this. Like frontals, you guys do all that plucking, and frontals just are a lot of work. It's just a lot of work, put it like that. So the pros and the cons of this hair. So the pros is it's very full, and it definitely has I guess you can say shine, I don't know. It's really flowy. I haven't had any problems with shedding or tangling, and I had this hair for a while. I had bought the hair December and I wore it for New Year's, December 2018, and I wore it for New Year's, and I've worn the hair. I got the hair in December of 2018 and I wore it for New Year's, and I've had it since. So it's what now, May? So I can give you guys like a real honest review on the hair. Those are pretty much the pros of the hair. The shipping was fast. The company was, you know, good with like, you know, giving my tracking information, and communication was good. What else? I think that's pretty much it. For the cons, I don't have any. I really don't have any cons for the hair. The only thing I would say is if you are thinking about buying a 2x6 closure, you have to be careful with sewing it down because it could come out crooked very easily. Also, when you doing the 2x6, I would suggest getting like a stretchy dome cap versus a mesh cap, because being that it's so little of a cap you're taking off, being that it's so much, like when you finish, all right, let's take it back. So with the 2x6, it's only this much, like you have, like you're working with just this, versus the closure you working with, you know, like this. So when you go and cut off the cap, the access cap from under the closure, it's not that much you're cutting. So when you're going to put the wig on, it's going to be tight, and that's why I made my mistake. I had got a mesh cap, so the wig is like barely fit in my head. So I would say if you're going to do this closure, get a spandex cloth, whatever cap, instead of a mesh. Yeah, that's pretty much, I gotta wrap this video up. So yeah, that's pretty much it with this hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're looking for some affordable hair, the price wasn't, you know, if you're looking for some affordable hair, it's not that expensive. I got 4 bundles in a closure for a decent price. I did put the information in the description box below. Anything else? If you need to know anything else, just comment. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna wrap this video up because my camera's dying and I'm losing memory. So thank you guys for watching. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like and comment anything else you want to know. And that pretty much wraps up that pretty much wraps up the video. I'll catch you guys in my next video.